Hello, everybody. This session will be a very interesting session as we are going to learn the advanced formatting in the Google Sheet. In this session, you are going to learn how we can apply a theme, how we can apply the customized theme, and how we can do the conditional formatting in Google Sheet. So, very first is you have to open a Google Sheet. Okay. Once this is open, you can see on my screen some of the random text I have. I have text, I have hyperlink, and let me add one chart also. So, let me click here and the so this is a chart. I have not added, I'm not going to add any data. It's just a template. I am adding a template here just to, my intention is to show the this advanced formatting. Okay. So the very first thing is in advanced formatting, we can apply a theme. If you can see, there is an option format. Okay. So if you wanted to change the entire format of your spreadsheet is having a data and you are good with the data. Now you wanted to apply a same set of rule which is to be applied in entire spreadsheet, then you can go for, probably you can go for the to apply a theme. So click on theme. Once you click on theme, this theme panel will open. On the right hand side, you can see the Google Sheet is providing you multiple types of the themes here. So if I scroll up, momentum, earthy, the moment I click on the themes, you can see a slight change in the entire data and the chart as well. If you can see the text is gonna change. Click on ocean theme. See this hyperlink turn into the blue. Okay. If I click on groovy, cozy, so see that for the cozy themes, the text is gonna change. So let's select one. Let's suppose I have selected a calm theme, and I like this formatting, but I don't like the text of the hyperlink. So what in that case, we can customize this theme as well as per our needs. So click on the customization here, and in customization you can see what is they have given. You can change the font of entire text here. Okay, so currently it's Arial. If you wanted to change in Courier, you can see the this Courier new text is applied to entire sheet. Now we have a text uh, color. Okay, so here you can see we can make it as green, which is looking very bad. I'll make it as blue. So this is fine. Then we have a chart background. I have just a chart template in my sheet just to show you. The by default color is white. If I wanted to make a very light pink, you can see the pink has been applied over here. Chart background, we have an accent and we have an hyperlink. So suppose this hyperlink by default here for the coral theme, for this theme which we have selected, it's green. I don't want this text, I want it red, I wanted to highlight. So see, this has been, once you are done with the customization of your theme, chosen theme, you can click on done and click on close. Now the entire theme is, now the theme is applied with the customization. So this is a very first advanced formatting which you can apply on your entire data which is available in a Google Sheet. Okay, the second formatting, advanced formatting, which I can tell you is the conditional formatting. Okay, conditional formatting is, what is conditional formatting? Conditional formatting is basically the formatting which is applied to your individual cell or to the selected cells or the rows of your entire sheet if the condition is met. So what type of the condition? The condition is nothing but a rule, we can say. So go to the format here and click on conditional formatting. Once you click on conditional formatting, you can see here we have conditional formatting panel open here. Okay. Okay, so you can see here single colors or color scale is also available. So we'll choose a single color. And now it's asking you want to apply this conditional formatting on to which range. Okay, you wanted to apply on the particular individual cell or you wanted to apply on the range. So let's suppose we select this two. Okay, A3 to B3. So what we can do here, we have to write A3 1 B3. So this is my range I wanted. I have selected this. Okay, and click on OK. And what I wanted to do with this, I wanted to apply a formatting style. Which type of formatting style you wanted? You can bold it, you can italic it, okay, underline it, you can strike through, and you can change the text color or you can change the background color. Okay, so let's suppose I'm going to change the background color as a green. Okay, if now this formatting style will be applied only if this formatting rule, okay, condition is been met. So what is the condition? Format cell is not empty. Okay, if this format cell is not empty, then apply this green. Okay, so or we can say if it is empty, apply this green. like that. Okay, so what we can do is not empty. So apply. Let's will to make a difference. What we can do, we can increase the cell. Okay, so till F3. So let's say I wanted to apply this theme from A3 till F3. Okay, you can see till F3. So this is my range. Okay, and click on done. So you can see this is my particular range from A3 to F3, and I have applied the conditional formatting here. The condition rule here, you can see cell is not empty. So this is the rule. If you can see, this range is, we have three cells, C3, D3 and E3, but there is no data here. Okay, that's why there is no green here. There is no background color is. So this is called the conditional formatting. Okay, if you wanted to add another rule, you can add another rule. Let's suppose if I wanted to apply another formatting. Okay, so this range A3 to B3, let's say A3 to B3, I wanted to apply another rule. Okay, in this case, what I wanted to check format rule is text color. Let's change the custom rule here. Text contains, if text contain product. Okay, let's say if the text contain product, then change the formatting is blue. Okay, so here you can see two custom is there, two formatting is there, because we have already this one applied. Cell is I mean, we have two formatting, so first formatting is already been there. So we'll do one thing. Let's cancel here. Okay, and click on conditional formatting. Here you can see two formatting. So instead of A3 and B3, let's say A4 till A9. Okay, this is the range where I wanted to apply another rule. So this is the range A4 till A9. You can select here also, and you can click on OK. Once you click on OK, your range will become over here. You do not have to see and write it over here. Okay, you can select it. Pop-up will open. You can click on OK, and that applied range will be applied over here. Now you can change. You can text contain. There are a lot of rules here. You can see date is before, date or greater than, equal to. So a lot of, and custom formula also you can apply it over here. So I'll make it simple to text contain. Okay, text contain, let's suppose phone. Okay, I wanted phone, and click on OK. So here you can see I have, although I have applied this rule from A4 to A9, but the color is applied only in these three cells. Okay, why? Because this contains a phone text. That's why. So this is called the conditional formatting. So this is very much, I mean, useful in the Google Sheet when you wanted to, you have a kind of a data in your sheet where you wanted to see the list of the records where the employees are female, or the gender if you wanted to check. So what you can do, you can select the entire spreadsheet and apply a conditional formatting and check whether the column gender is having equal to value female kind of things. Then all the rows which is having the female employees will be highlighted with your color which you have chosen in the conditional formatting. So this way you can make your data more relevant and more visible in your Google Sheet. So I hope this is useful to you, and click and like the video and subscribe so that I will come with more very interesting videos. Thank you.